Hey there, future tycoons. Ready to embark on a journey where your entrepreneurial dreams can come true? Ever dreamed of turning lemons into cold, hard cash? Well, you're in the right place. You've come to the right place. Here we transform simple ideas into profitable ventures. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of high finance, specifically a magical little acronym, ROCE, or Return on Capital Employed. It's a game changer. ROCE might sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's the secret sauce to understanding if a business is actually good at making money. It's the key to unlocking financial success. Think of it like this. You've got two lemonade stands on a scorching summer day. Both are trying to quench the thirst of eager customers. One is drowning in flies, with lukewarm lemonade and a grumpy owner. It's not exactly the place you'd want to buy from. The other? It's a haven of ice-cold refreshment run by a charming entrepreneur who offers free cookies with every purchase. Customers flock to it. That's ROCE in a nutshell. A way to measure which business is squeezing the most profit out of every dollar invested. It's the ultimate indicator of success. All right, let's break this down. ROCE stands for Return on Capital Employed. ROCE essentially tells you how efficiently a company uses its money to generate profits. It's a crucial metric for investors. Think of it like a report card for businesses. But instead of grades, we're talking about cold, hard cash. It shows how well a company is turning its investments into profits. Think back to our lemonade stand analogy. Imagine you set up a stand in your neighborhood park. You've got your stand, that's your capital employed. Your lemons, sugar, and all the other goodies you need to make that sweet, sweet nectar. All these are your investments. ROCE measures how much profit you squeeze out of those lemons relative to the money you invested in the first place. It's like checking how much juice you get from each lemon. A high ROCE means the company is using its resources effectively, like a well-oiled lemonade churning machine. It indicates strong financial health. It's a sign of a healthy business that's likely to attract investors and grow faster than a queue for free ice cream. Investors love high ROCE because it means better returns. On the flip side, a low ROCE could be a red flag, like finding a fly in your lemonade. It suggests the company isn't using its capital efficiently. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding ROCE is like having a superpower in the financial world. It helps you make smarter investment decisions. Okay, I know what you're thinking. John, you had me at lemonade, but now you're talking formulas? My brain is about to melt. Don't worry, this isn't some complicated calculus equation that requires a PhD in rocket science. The ROCE formula is actually pretty straightforward, like a recipe for, you guessed it, lemonade. Here's the secret formula. See? Not so scary, right? Now, let's break down those fancy terms. This stands for earnings before interest and taxes. This is the total amount of money the company has invested in its business, like that shiny new lemonade stand you just bought. Now that we've mastered the art of the ROCE formula, let's see it in action, shall we? It's time to dive into a practical example to really understand its power. Imagine two lemonade stands, one run by, let's call her Alice, and the other by Bob. Both are eager entrepreneurs, but their approaches are quite different. Alice is a lean, mean lemonade-making machine. She's got her process down to a science, ensuring every customer leaves happy and every penny is accounted for. She runs a tight ship, keeps her costs low, and squeezes every last drop of profit out of her lemons. Efficiency is her middle name. Bob, on the other hand, well, let's just say he's a bit more relaxed. He believes in offering a premium experience, but sometimes at the cost of efficiency. His stand is fancier, but his costs are higher, and his profits, well, let's just say they're not exactly breaking any records. He struggles to keep up with Alice's streamlined operation. Now, let's say Alice and Bob both have the same amount of capital employed, $100. This is their initial investment in their lemonade ventures. Alice, being the savvy businesswoman she is, manages to generate an EBIT of $50. Her keen eye on expenses and customer satisfaction pays off. Bob, bless his heart, only manages to squeeze out an EBIT of $20. Despite his best efforts, his higher costs eat into his profits. Using our trusty ROCE formula, we can see that Alice's ROCE is a whopping 50%, while Bob's is a measly 20%. This stark difference highlights the importance of efficiency and cost management. And it's not just lemonade stands, folks. The principles of ROCE apply across various industries and business models. ROCE is used to evaluate businesses of all shapes and sizes, from tech giants like Apple to your local grocery store. It's a universal metric that helps investors and business owners alike gauge efficiency and profitability.